My cat reacted like he saw something nobody else could. I invited my girlfriend over to my new apartment last night. My gray cat, Tommy, was curled up on the couch while we watched TV. Out of nowhere, my girlfriend grabbed her head like she was about to faint, and said she suddenly smelled burnt clothes. Then she clutched her stomach as a wave of intense pain hit her. At that exact moment, Tommy jumped up. He froze in front of her. His ears flattened. His tail puffed up. And then he hissed, a deep, guttural hiss I'd never heard from him. He wasn't looking at her. He was staring above her head, like something was hanging there. His eyes tracked it as it drifted through empty air. Seconds dragged by. Then suddenly, she gasped, and the pain vanished. Tommy relaxed. Whatever he saw was gone. But later that night, Tommy stared at me the same way.